Hi, my name is Chris Maslach. I'm one of the application engineers in the Flow division at Kessler-Ellis Products. We're here today to talk to you about communications and communication gateways. What I have here is a SuperTrol 1 and a SuperTrol 2 family of flow computers, and we're going to limit our discussion to these two families today. The standard communication port that KEP comes standard on all flow computers in these two families is the RS-232 serial port. This is always found facing the rear of the unit all the way to the left-hand corner. This communication port is used for using the free setup software that comes with every unit to actually set the actual flow computers up. It can be used for connecting to a printer, and also can be used with the optional trolling software that allow you to do remote metering or downloading of data logging. KEP also offers, as an option, a center port for Modbus RTU communications. This is standard, comes as a DB9 port, but one of the more popular options that we offer is to have this unit as a terminal block, a 4-pin terminal block. This is a Modbus RTU. It is a 2-wire approach. The terminals include a transmit receive plus, a transmit receive minus, a ground, and also a terminating resistor for the last unit in the line. These units will support Modbus will support up to 32 units on a single string with maximum distances of about 4,000 feet. KEP now has gone one step further and has offered a series of communication gateways. The two that we're going to consider today is the Atom 4572BE, which is a Modbus IP gateway, and the brand new offering, which is the new FPC, which is a Modbus IP as well as BACnet and BACnet IP and BACnet MSTP series. We are also going to offer this as a Modbus to LAN works gateway as well. The Atom will take the information this on a customer supplied IP address. You can mount, again, a string of 32 units of the flow computer directly into the Atom, and we can actually output it to an IP address. The Atom comes complete with free setup software. The client will have to know what his baud rate is and also what the IP address is. We also offer the FPC. Now, the FPC can handle up to 3 individual gateways or communication protocols at once. It will handle again, with a Modbus RTU input. This will handle a Modbus IP, BACnet IP, and BACnet MSTP. For the Modbus and the BACnet IP, this unit has a GUI, I hope I'm pronouncing that right. It is a website that's actually, you have to assign your computer to a specific IP address, and you could actually pre-program all the information through your computer. If you're using MSTP or BACnet MSTP, which is a wired connection, which is connected here on top, you can assign the baud rate, device ID, device instance number, all through a series of dip switches. KEP has a tech tip for both of these items. They're both available from the website on how to do a complete setup on both the Atom as well as an individual one for the FPC. If for some reason you can't find it on our website, please feel free to contact anyone in the Flow department engineers. Well, I'd be happy to give you a hand. Now, we package this for you on into an MS-811 NEMA 4X wall mount enclosure. We do mount a backplate, which you see here, with a DIN rail. We give you a series of terminal blocks for power, 3 inputs for power, neutral, ground, as well as your line, and the line is actually fused disconnect. This is then pre-wired to a 115 to 24 volt DC power supply, the ML30 down 100, and then we actually wire from this to power either the Atom or the FPC. This is all pre-wired and assembled by KEP. If you have any questions, the majority of information you see here, including the 2 tech tips, are found on our website, www.kep.com, or you can contact any of us in the flow department. We'll be happy to try to give you a hand. Our phone number is 1-800-631-2165, and then dial 0 and ask for anyone in the flow department. We'll be happy to give you a hand. Thank you.